How to analyze backlinks in SEMrush. Backlink analysis is essential for improving your site's authority and cleaning. Up harmful links. In SEMrush, go to the Backlink Analytics tool and enter your domain. You'll see your total backlinks, referring domains, anchor text distribution, and top referring sites. SEMrush also rates the toxicity of backlinks. This helps you identify and disavow bad links that could hurt your rankings. You can analyze competitors too. Just enter their domain, and you'll find which sites are linking to them, how often, and with what anchor text. This reveals potential link building opportunities for your own site. You can even sort links by authority score to focus on high-value targets. What if størstebis jeg send den bort? The Backlink Audit tool lets you keep an eye on new and lost backlinks, giving you insight into how your link profile is evolving. With this data, you can create a robust link building plan and strengthen your SEO foundation.